quiet mountain far away.
The goats are eating. Nothing is wrong.
Down at the farm, a gate closes. That gate closed by itself. Why? Back on the mountain, silence. Oh no! The bridge falls down! The mountain bridge broke. But nobody is up there. There. Captain! The map is broken! Things are moving on their own! Everything is connected! We do something here, it happens far away! 10 seconds late on the mountain. Perfect timing. Hitting the valley switch! 5 seconds to go! Oh no! The pigs! I must close the mud gate! Robin saves the pigs! He feels happy! Wait! In the Green Valley, the ground breaks! Oh no! I did that! I moved the water to the valley! Captain! My brain is hot! I know what the bad guys did! Different places have different times. Mountains are 10 seconds. Valleys are 5. They made a time trap! We cannot see what we break!
You cannot wait, dog. You must guess, or you lose your home.
The big turtle hits 3 buttons very fast. The farm and the valley go crazy. The animals are scared. Captain, it is a loop. It will not stop. We must split up! We cover all the places! I stay here! You fly to the mountain! Remember the time delay!
The time is changing.
Captain! The clock is fast! 10 seconds is now 5! 5 is 2! The dog looks at the big mess. The ground shakes. No more waiting. We move before it happens. Admiral, read the clock out loud. We will beat the time. Mountain snow falling in 6 seconds. Get ready. The bird breaks a rock early. A small snow slide begins. Mountain pressure is gone. We are safe here. Valley hole opens in 4 seconds. Opening the water early. Drink up, Valley. The hole is full of water. The horses are happy and safe. Arm gate drops in 2 seconds. Captain, you are too far. Robin does not run. He blows his loud whistle. The gate falls. but the big animals run safely next to it. We did it all. Did it work? The big trap is broken. The world is quiet again.
The animals are safe. They go to sleep.
We guessed the time perfectly. The trap is dead, Captain. Oh, wow. I never want to look at a clock again. A little sheep says thank you. Good sheep. Whoops. Down he goes. Right into the mud. You are very fast, Captain, but you still fall down. At least I fell down on my own time. Far away on the mountain, it is quiet. They guessed the first part. Very smart. The dog is fast. They learn the game. Then we change the game. No more rules. He turns the dial. The trap turns on again. Good luck trying to guess this time, Sheriff. Back at the farm, Robin stands up again. Listen. The sound is back, but it changed. I am ready. My brain is working hard now. Next time, my friends. And to friends, then I need to grow and clean. How do we stop a broken clock? Tell me below.